Kaluguran mo kapatid, ikasal pantayanan, impong ka-fiesta na ning Santo Niño, medyo yung maulagang kapag masusya, kingkirata mong bansang Pilipinas. Hulinging panyatang ning Santo Niño marks the birth of Christianity in our nation. Inyamin baluta mo king history on March 16, 1521. We have the Magellan expedition with Father Pedro de Valderrama. Nung karinti na ungla, karinting Cebu, karinting Limasawa Island. At king karelang pamahuldas king bangka, king karelang vapor, daralanding metong larawan ning Santo Niño. They came in peace in the spirit of a child. Niyang tipa na rin Castilla, king karelang barko, daralanding Santo Niño. It was a psychological warfare on the part of the Portuguese and Spaniards. Nalamag na lang kanyon, espada, ampon tando, sampung baril. Otherwise, may barilan na. May patayan lang yung muna. Pero daralada yung imahin na ng Santo Niño. We come in peace. We come in the spirit of a child. Muling bago tamo, o ang aking may anak, the child will bring down all your defenses. Ading anak palto na kaya kahit lulus at ganaka. Pero ba't selubungan mong baril, mablas lang baril, o kaya pana ampong tandus. We come in the spirit of a child. Niya magbabalang depensa for a while. Dining tribunang Raha Umabon and Reynawan. At kanitang oras sa ita may binyag na rin migit 8 dalat karening native people of Limasawa Island. They embrace the Catholic faith and in exchange for the pagan gods. Pepaugseda na, dari karelang Diyos-Diyosa, dari karelang Anitos, inugsedo kindagat ilog, ulimoy ninay karawan ng tunay Diyos. The God who became man, the Holy Child, malatiya and yet mayupayaya. Anak niya and yet very powerful yan. Nyapin elamen nyapon dening Castilla, kingulin yung baril lang po ang espada, siya po pandore ng tao, king Limasawa Island, with the power of faith, with the power of the Son of God, not with guns and swords, but with faith and the humility of a child. Inigirala Santo Niño, kapuri-puri as nanay kasanting, the Prince of Peace. At itang minulong larawan ng Santo Niño, Chongeniking Basilica of the Holy Child in Cebu. At sana may kapamikatagal kayo to make a pilgrimage na. So anak niya, banggeta, elamipataya, they come in peace. Ining larawan na ini matuling niya. O bakit matuling niya? Adin tamo itim na Nazareno, itim na larawan ng Birhen ng Antipono, ading matuling ang larawan na ning Santo Niño de Cebu. Ulinitang malatitamo den Pilipino ampong matuling, Malayan skin, brown, kayo manggi. O ini Diyos akalupayo, estrangero kasanmetong niya, kaya diya. Yan yung higit ng patuling niya. Kaya tayo, kalupa tayo. Here is a God whom we can identify with. Here is a God who is one with us. O ilipawagana ng Santo Niño. Meron nga Diyos sa may katawan tao. And one of the consequences of incarnation, may katawan niyang tao, maging kalupa tayo, king sablang bagay, maliban mo king kasalanan. So, my dear brothers and sisters, here comes the God who is a child, ay ang makatakot. Pwede tayong kilikan, pwede tayong itera, pwede tayong kaunan, pwede tayong uman. In contrast with the God of the Old Testament, who comes in thunder and lightning. Wadamangin mat na manuldul mamayon, mamakbong na rin bulkan, sasakap na kinatakot ng Israelita, uling minunang Diyos ang kilala na. Diyos na rin tuldulang kong kita, makatakot siya. Diyos na rin ngayon. Diyos na rin bulkan na mamakbong. And here comes a child with the face of a child and the holy child. Wow! Pachikit mo yung anak. Intendensi mo kaulan me, uman me. O yan ang Diyos tamo, pwede ang kaulan. The God whom we can dance with in every moment of our life. Kaya ba tayong Ginoo? Kaya ba tayong maglakad? Kaya ba tayong tetera? Makiterahan niya kay Adam. With a dance of faith, hope, and love. With a tune of faith, hope, and love. Kaya ba tayong Diyos? Kanya maning mabibigay. Kaya ba Diyos? Kaya ba tayo kikatamong pamibiyemye? My dear brothers and sisters, kikapista ng Santo Niño, pepabanalan ng anak ng Diyos yung kayanakan tamo. Dinalan tamo ang king kayanakan. At asnan yung kaulagan, ikiratamong childhood days, from infancy to childhood, mibay tamo, and then miracle tamo, hanggang grade 6, hanggang 12 years old. Before the threshold and the advent of 10 years, mamundasyon niya yung meto ngayanak, king kayang pangayanak. At balo tamo din may marital lang misyon. Itanang kin puso ng anak, itang lugod kin Diyos, at lugod ka parang tao. Paragulan mo yung anak, sumulong yung kinidad. Pabakuna mo, papag-aral mo. Pakanan mo yung nutritious food. Kang mag-develop yung brain. E mo itang mag-develop yung brain, mag-develop yung puso. E mo itang paragulan mo yung manusok, paragulan mo yung ating puso, ating ganaka, ating lunos, king kanyang puso. It is the formation of the heart. Bang maging kawangis na yung Ginoo. My dear brothers and sisters, na nasasabi ng Parents' Creed, children learn what they live, and children live what they learn. If a child lives in hostility, he learns to fight. Yan po na yung anak pa na may pamarugan pa niya pingilan, maging malupit siya, kareng kalupa ng tao, uling ito'y nga pag-aralan, malupit pa na yung biye. Niya pag malupitan mo rin kapatid na. If a child lives with fairness, he learns justice. Eh mo ko sintiguran yung maliging anak mo. Alam, favoritism. Do not be partial with your judgment, kareng anak mo. Otherwise, they learn injustice. Eh pareho lang may tatang kaya kami may kakapatan. That's not fair. Eh pareho trato na kaya kami, po may kamaling pangalan ulit paborito na konsentidorani, kampiyaning malin. That's not fair. Eh may konsentidorani ng anak mo, kaya kang kamalian. Otherwise, they learn injustice. At tingin pare-pareho, impartial, very unfair, If a child is with security, he learns to have faith. Ila ko mintakot kim puso ng anak mo. Let them grow secure in love, care, and mula paboren. And they will have faith in God, faith in you, and faith in themselves. If a child is with encouragement, he learns confidence. Di anak mo minsan natin lang kakulangan, but encourage them so they have self-confidence. May sisirang tiwala yung aking sarili. Uling minulat ko kaya, he is scum of the earth. Baring skoma, walang kapabubal kang baka o ligang babi. Itang skoma lakong, may tuturing skoma yung anak mo. Ituring mo is the apple of your eye. Pero ka maulagang bagay kimbiya ko ikatong kaluguran na ba? Bang apil na ng anak, kaluguran na palang tatangpang ko ima. Mag-develop yung self-confidence. Uli natin kang tiwala kaya. I-build up may self-confidence ng anak mo. May sisirang tiwala ng sarili na uling minulat mo kaya. Bobo yan. At alayang kwentang tao. If a child lives with love, he learns to find love in the world. And if a child lives with forgiveness and understanding, he will learn to understand. Itamo ano ay biyeng, itang etamo tinggap, itang alaki katamo. We become loving person, uling naranasan taming lugod. We become forgiving and understanding person, uling inunawa na katamo at tinggap, tingkya katamong matwa. At numisan itang iyong maranasan, pantunan mo later on. And you will compensate karing miyayaliwang bagay. Dahil anak they are deprived, materially deprived na kayong pamangan, and worse than that, deprived na kayong lugod. At sana rin anak, pakabsyan lang pangarap, pakabsyan lang masanding ayarat, bang miyubong lang, ang pangkingwangis ng Ginoo Kristo.